Managing access to location data across teams and stakeholders can be challenging. How do you manage both public and private location data while ensuring the right people see the right information? In today's video, I'll show you how to securely share interactive maps using public, private, and role-based access controls with story.mapog.com. Once you are done with your map in MAPOG, go to Preview and Share. Choose how to share your map. Private for selected users only or public for anyone with the link. First with the private section. In the Settings section, you can find the Attributes option, which helps you choose which feature fields you want to share with viewers. Click on it. Then select the Selected Attributes option. After that, choose the fields you want to share. After selecting the attributes, go to Access, then select Add User and click Add Member. This feature lets you give map access and assign roles based on requirements. Then, enter the user's email ID and assign a role. Admins have full control, including editing maps, managing users, adding layers, and deleting content. Other users can be assigned editor or viewer access. Once the role is selected, click Send Invite. Select members from the Select Member dropdown and assign their role. Editors can manage content and users, while viewers have view-only access. Once selected, click Invite. Now the invited user will receive a map access link. Next, set the map type from private to public to enable the share option. The Settings section lets you customize the published map experience. Layout helps you choose between overlay and split views. Theme allows you to customize background and accent colors. Toolbox and filters enables a floating toolbox and geometry filters. Search allows viewers to search and sort locations, and Map Controls enables features like Pitch View, Layer Switcher, and Walkthrough Player. You can also use the Attributes option to select and share only the required feature fields with viewers. Next, click Share Link. This lets you instantly share the map via email, chat, or social media, enabling others to view and interact with it on MAPOG. You can also click Embed Link, copy the generated link, and share it on websites or web pages. We hope this video helps you understand how to securely share interactive maps with controlled access using MAPOG. To explore more GIS tools, visit story.mapog.com. And if you need help, contact us at support@mapog.com.